How are large language models LLM typically trained? Can you explain the process of pre-training and fine-tuning? Answer. Large language models LLM are typically trained using a combination of pre-training and fine-tuning. The pre-training phase involves exposing the model to a large corpus of text data from various sources. This enables the model to expand its knowledge base and acquire a wide understanding of language. During this phase, the model is trained to predict the next word in a sequence of text given the context of the previous words. This process is repeated multiple times, allowing the model to learn patterns and relationships in language. The pre-trained model is then fine-tuned for a specific task or domain, such as language translation, question answering, or text summarization. Fine-tuning involves retraining the pre-trained model on a smaller dataset that is specifically designed for the target task. This process helps the model to adapt to the new task and improve its performance. The fine-tuning phase typically involves adjusting the model's parameters to optimize its performance on the target task. For example, if we want to use an LLM for language translation, we would first pre-train the model on a large corpus of text data in multiple languages. Then, we would fine-tune the pre-trained model on a smaller dataset of translated text, adjusting the model's parameters to optimize its performance on the translation task. This process allows the model to learn the specific patterns and relationships required for language translation, while still leveraging the knowledge it gained during the pre-training phase. By combining pre-training and fine-tuning, LLM can be trained to perform a wide range of language-related tasks with high accuracy.